Someone even look at you, mate.
Looks prehistoric. So we saw, not llamas, we saw alpacas.
Alpaca, this one is llama. They are tall, but I think they're not that cute as alpacas.
Like Sevenoaks take too long.
I know, that's something else, you know.
Oh. Hey. Hello.
Give you an apple.
No,
Are you just show off?
you're just showing off, eh? Hello.
So friendly.
Isn't he? Or is it a girl? I don't know.
Hello. No.
He might try and munch me.
I think so. It's so big.
I did. Oh, I just get munched when I was a kid. That's why.
No.
Don't worry.
Leave it. You want the apples?
I think he wants apple.
Oh.
Hey, down in Shore, North Down.
That's us, really.
Sorry, the Kent down.
Yeah.
Nice. It's an English autumn for you. Get the house in over there. Our future house.
Which one?
Right there.
That one, yeah. This time is quite hilly.
Isn't it?
I'm down there.
Steep.
Down there. Now we're going up again.
But it's all going to be downhill towards the end there,
Yeah.
or even in the middle.
Oh. But the leaf is quite crispy.
Yeah, drying out already, eh? All dying on us.
The parking was free.
Yeah.
Our lunch from home. Had it already.
Almost free.
Then yeah, gonna walk until next couple hours.
Should be, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're filled with the sheep.
We already halfway or not?
Over halfway.
Okay.
Why?
That's the view that
Too
you
quick.
get.
That's the view, mate. You need to go a bit right, I think. Nice. Yeah, but we've done quite a few bits still. Well,
That's where we're gonna live, mate.
yeah.
Give it 5 years.